Uh-oh. Uh-oh, where'd they go? Oh, there's one in your hand. You gotta put it in your mouth, kid. Here's one. Is your bib hiding everything from you? There they are. Get them. Whoa. Girl after your dad's heart. Yummy. I don't think you put any of those in yet. Got one in your hand. The other two are still in the tray. Go ahead, grab them. There's another option. They're a little slippery, aren't they? Any more? Uh-oh. It's gonna be a messy seat. Oh, there you go. Yay! Any more? You can do it. Good job, Cece. Fed yourself some banana. Was it yummy? We'll eat the rest. We'll eat the rest. Yum, 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 yum.